close. He's on me now. 2 laps to go, I think. Yeah. Last lap, here we go. This is it. Dovizioso Marquez. More lean angle that time. Break him. Yes. I know where he's going to try to go for me. That last corner. Shit. Or right here. Inside pass line, inside, but get on the throttle. Here we go. Oh, shit! You fucking asshole! What the hell, Mitch? Seriously, for the fuck's sakes, dude, this is a club race. Like, fuck, man. You fucking douchebag. That move was douchebag, dude. You fucking pulled the stupid move, Mitch. I like you, but dude, what the fuck was that? You knew I had that corner blocked. Fucking buddy. Inside, but get on the throttle. Here we go. Oh! Shit. You fucking asshole. Or right here. Inside pass line, inside, but get on the throttle. Here we go. Oh, shit! You fucking asshole! You fucking asshole!
part of the picture.
Superbiking?
That was... I knew he was going to try to pass me there. I knew it, right?
Oh yeah.
Because that's his best spot every time I race him. So I just went in really fast and then took a tight line. I was already in the entry and then he smashed me, right? Like, he didn't have a chance. He way overdid his... What's the word in MotoGP? You ran on talent?
What was it? His ambition outweighed his talent?
His ambition outweighed his talent big time.
As we celebrate the podium finishers for this race, what a finish to it. Holy cow. Adam led lap to lap. We'll hear his race story. Marcel had second for a little bit. Mitchell came back, and then Marcel got him back, and then Mitchell unfortunately tossed it down in turn 9 over hill. Marcel had one heck of a save to keep the bike upright and still finish in the box. Bolger came through. What a stud, charging from clear in the back to hard charge reward. On a borrowed bike even, that's what a stud you are. So let's get these guys up here. Way to go. You're having a good one back there, doing 24s back, and then the last lap something happened. Tell us about it, and you're a stud for keeping it up. Way to go.
Yeah, ABS was stopping me again. Remember, ABS saved the day back at the ridge off turn 1. You know, had a decent start, just laid off the clutch and settled in behind Adam. And I knew you were going to pull some 22s, and I'm like, my goal this weekend was my Lorenzo comeback, hashtag. You know, Lorenzo, he broke his back, he came back, he just wanted to get used to the bike. So that was my plan this weekend. All yesterday I was training, doing my rider training on the Ninja 400, so then to jump into FP1 and get on this like hyper bike was insane. The onboard commentary you'll see, I'm out of control.
Rocket! Holy fuck! 64, can you leave the bike over? Holy shit, warp speed! 1, 2, down to third gear. Whoa! That's a lot different than the 400. Follow my line. And then stand up and brake. Just a little bit of brake. It's nothing really. We're just braking like 10%.
And anyways, came back, qualified second. It was a little moist out there. That was really tough on me, but you know, I really want to be safe out here. I just took 2 months off of work because of my broken thumb.
Missed it. You gonna do it again?
I did it like 4 times.
Had 4 skips? Living the retired life.
What about this? Can you skip this one?
Can't really skip with my thumb. All right, here we go, boondocking. Ninja 400 style. Whoa, spins out the rear. Up the third. And his left. Drag. What are we doing? 88 kilometers. Whoa, head shake. There's no steering damper on this thing. It does get a head shake on extreme circumstances, which happen a lot with extreme circumstances. Halfway on spring, come on. Like, whoa, dodge the rocks. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh yeah, on the brake. Oh yeah. Look, I run the inside lane. I can go way faster track-wise. Wow. How awesome is this? What a boondocking spot. Top 10. Got a nice little landing. Right down to my own personal beach. Beautiful river.
Just epic.
What's up? Ah, shoot. Yeah, I think I can make it. Dirt bike Ninja Full Honey. Oh yeah. Well, there's stumps everywhere I gotta watch out for. Sick. Yeah, you can just boondog anywhere up here. Whoa. Look at these tires. Oh, what am I doing? This is ridiculous. Stop going. Just stop. I just can't stop, but I gotta stop.
Here, I just took 2 months off of work because of my broken thumb. And in the race, so Mitch came up on me, Mitchel Pierce, and he passed me in that exact spot. And he's passed me there in previous rounds. So I knew that was his best spot.
A little smoother right here. Safe. Don't be like Coffee. He crashed out and destroyed his bike right there. Hurt himself too a little bit, but he's okay.
Oh, guys, look at this. That's not good. Turn 5. Coffee beat the shit out of his bike in a bad crash. Is he okay? Where is he? Oh, he didn't go to the hospital? It wasn't that bad? Mostly the bike? Yeah, but, you know, shit. Sorry to see, man. Nobody likes to fucking see this shit. It's horrible. Horrible. Yikes.
Into the tight corner. This is the 4th lap. Whoop. Oh, I gotta get on the gas board so I don't just coast so much there. Use front tire. SC2. Whoa! Little sketchy on my turn-in timing. I gotta chase now. 3rd is good though for me, guys. This is my comeback weekend. I'll wait. Who knows what he's doing? He's quick here. I'll give you guys a video race, huh? Yeah, buddy! Woo! Love it!
So I knew that was his best spot, and I was been practicing getting better. And you know, then he had a bike issue, and I got back by him, and I knew on the last lap that's exactly where he was going to try to pass me. So I ripped in there as fast as I could, trail brake the tightest line possible. I'm like, yeah, I have it. Boom! He smashed into the back of me, and we were like together, locked in. And then luckily, Head's bike let go of mine, and now I'm like ABS all the way to the fence weeds. And I'm like, shit, turn around, I drive out of the weeds now, and I see, I'm like, oh crap, I want to hold on to second. Dirty tires later in the bus stop, and then we had a red flag. And wow, that was intense, guys. The footage will be crazy. I want to thank everybody who's ever supported me. It's great to see so many Canadians on the podium, let alone some old friends. John, it's good to see you back on the track, you know. And, oh, sorry, guys. Anyways, thank you to everybody. You know, the Pirellis work decent. I love that shit. Here you go. Go ahead, Adam. I guess it's go. All Pirelli, all BMW, all Canadian podiums. That's pretty cool. Marcel took all my time, so I got to keep it short. You've been up here enough. I'll give a longer one here at the end of the day, but just thanks everyone for watching. Sounds like I missed all the excitement on second, third there. I kind of wish I'd have saw that, but anyway, we'll all see you guys later on tonight, and we'll do it proper.
Well done to all of you guys, and as Carol, the owner of Moto Vixen, hands out the checks, she sponsors this Class 4 Robarts, taking home $1,000.
Holy shit. What a dust. I always miss the excitement. Can you go back to the beginning? Because that's where it's all... Holy shit.
One more
yeah,
back.
the bike hooked onto me.
One more back.
I mean...
Okay,
that's
where
it?
started. Yeah.
Oh, we don't really get much from this.
But what happened originally? It's amazing that he missed you. That he didn't take you out.
Because he hit my shoulder. All right, I'm getting soaked. I'm out of here.
Back to the home on wheels.